Well, here we are. This is the laundry room, and for the first time in the 4 years, or just about 4 years we've been here, I am in the process of completely remodeling the room. And I've already started doing some of the work. As you can see here, I have prepped the walls. I've also went ahead and painted the ceiling. Instead of removing it, I thought it was in good condition and didn't feel like tearing it all down, so I went ahead and I painted it. And it came out really good. I used a 3/4 inch nap roller. Took my time, and actually it was pretty easy, to be honest with you. And here you can see I've done all my prep work. We've taken the wallpaper off the walls and started the trim. The trim has been painted. The doors have not been painted yet, but you can see that the trim has already been painted. And it's always good to do your trim first before you paint the room. It makes life a lot easier. You can see I have some brush over on the floors here, and that's perfectly fine. This floor is being covered up with some nice stick-on tiles. So this project's probably about 1/3 of the way done at this point. And the estimate that we got to do this room, which was insane, not counting paint, not counting cost of materials or flooring, was $3,500. Right now I'm in this room for about $45. A gallon of paint, a roller, and well, I did change the light fixture. I'll add $30 on for that, but that wasn't included in their $3,500 either. This is a really cool light fixture. It's all LED array, and it will work with a remote as well if you want to dim it, change the color from bright white to warm white. Kind of cool, and it's something you can pick up at Costco. I've went ahead and sanded with some emery cloth the piping. This was pitch black, the copper piping for the water supply for the washer. That's been taken care of. Switches and the outlets are new, and then you'll see this room hopefully completely double. So this is what we've got so far, folks. I'm gonna let you guys go, and hopefully you enjoyed this short video of an ugly looking laundry room. Thank you.